What if I told you that you could get a security system for a quarter of what you would normally pay and get it from a local company? Well, stay to the end, and we've got some special packages just for watching. You've heard that all, right? Security systems are too expensive. They don't work because it takes them forever to call. I need a home phone. I have to sign a long-term contract. We're so used to hearing about these downfalls of purchasing a security system that it's become ingrained into our minds as normal. I understand why you would think that, because you've heard about these issues from your friends, your neighbors, and possibly from your own experiences, and the idea that it would bring your family the safety that you desire. You were promised affordability, you were promised fast response times, and you didn't think you would need to sign a long-term contract. While yes, purchasing a security system with a high monthly and a long-term contract will give your family some sort of protection, does this have to apply to everyone? No. If that were the case, everyone would have their family protected in the way that they've always dreamt of and have that security system that they've always envisioned. We all know that's not true. Home security systems are not supposed to be expensive. You can get an emergency response time in much less than a minute. You don't need a home phone line. You don't have to sign a long-term contract. With a system from DIY Protection Systems, it's easy to purchase an affordable system. Our systems come pre-programmed to your specific needs. We have a built-in cellular communicator, so no phone lines are needed, and definitely no long-term contracts. The main thing to understand is that long-term contracts with phone lines and huge delays and emergency phone calls doesn't have to be your reality. You just need the right company and the right product, and after 18 years in the business, we know our customers' needs. This is key because if you don't purchase a system with DIY Protection Systems, you could risk the safety of your family. Do you really want to overpay for a system and get stuck for 5 years? Or do you want to experience the true peace of mind when your family's protected the way you've always wanted? If you want to keep going with nationwide companies and overspending for systems that barely work and it's difficult to get service, I can't help you. But if you want to start experiencing what true protection and the feeling of security is like from a local company in a DIY atmosphere, I've created something just for you. We created some special packages for a limited time, and if you click the link below, you can check it out. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment if you have any questions, and hit subscribe.